evening. I'm here again. Kain tayo ulit ng dinner. Thank you, Lord. The food dinner for today is rice. Brown rice. Chicken. Kain ulit tayo, guys. I'm watching and eating suka.
Sa Baclaran, para kayo sa pagkuha ng inyong mga silverware. Okay. Ay, may tulisok din kayo. Guys, we got a nice big old... I see, I did a lot of message, guys. I can't see a lot of the proteins as many as I can. I do a lot of people who take a photo or eating food watching this, and so kind of, they've either lived in that, every day has a job. Dreams. Chicken curry, let's get a nice isang subo lang. Star, gourmet meal. The incoming flights landing at night, the airplanes go overhead. They do a really good job. There's a lot of leeway given to get my own. I was thinking, it feels like this. You find it at a Carinderia, and you if I it's like on the sides.
May tira pa. Kainin ko bukas.
The stories that you appreciation. I don't know.